Hello guys, in this video I am going to discuss about the Code of Federal Regulation that we known as CFR. In this video I am going to discuss about the meaning of CFR, what is the actual meaning of CFR, who is responsible for these regulations, and what is main Title 21 means CFR Title 21. It is mainly responsible for the food and drug administration in whole country. So in this video we are going to discuss about the CFR and CFR Title 21. So first we start with the CFR. So first we start with the CFR. So CFR stand for Code of Federal Regulation, is the codification of the general and permanent rules and regulations. Sometimes it is also called as administrative law, published in Federal Register by the Executive Department and Agency of the Federal Government of the United States. So these are the regulations and rules which is published by the United States government. So these are the rules which we need to follow when we are going to approve or we are going to marketize or sell our product in US market. So for that purpose we need to follow these guidelines or these regulations or these rules. So the CFR divided into 50 titles that represent broad areas subject to federal regulation. Means the CFR which has so many categories, so they are mainly divided into 15 titles, means different title which has different meaning and different rules and regulations for different areas. So we discuss how they are classified into 50 titles. So each title is further divided into chapter, subchapter, parts and sections. Means each title which is given 50, so each 50 chapters divided into chapters, subchapter, parts and sections further. And the regulation is cited by title, part, section. Means they are mean the title is further divided into the part, chapter, subchapter, means the part and section. So mainly the information given about any kind of regulation, so they are divided into titles, parts and sections. So next one is the soft cover volume of CFR is issued each year. Means soft cover of CFR is issued every year. So how they classified, we are going to discuss that. So first title 1st to 16, from 15 titles, so they are updated as January 1st. So 1st January they are updated from title 1st to 16. So title 17 to 27 are updated as April 1. Means they are updated in April 1 if any regulations or rules are amended in that particular regulation, so they are updated in April 1st. So next one is the title 29 to 41 are updated as of July 1, and last title 52 to 50, 42 to 50 are updated as of October 1st. So the online CFR is joint project authorized by the publisher, the National Archives and Records Administration, means NARA, and Office of the Federal Registration and the Government Publishing Office, to provide the public with enhanced access to government information. Means if anyone wants to want to access this information, or they want to read this information, or they want to follow this information, so government provided this information on the site of their particular government. So in anyone who want to access this information, they will access with these sites. So now we are going to discuss about the title CFR Title 21. So CFR Title 21 is mainly responsible for the food and drug administration. So what they include, now we are going to discuss about that information. So Title 21 of the CFR is reserved for rules of food and drug administration. Means just I told that Title 21 is totally responsible for the food and drug. So regulations regarding food and drug is given in this CFR, means Code of Federal Regulation, in Title 21. Means out of 50 title, the 21 title is mainly responsible for the administration of food and drug into the United States countries. So govern food and drug within the United States for the FDA, DAE and ONDCP. So these regulations is also given by the FDA and other DE means health authorities. So in all 21 CFR consist of 1499 parts. So means this 21 CFR means CFR title 21 is includes 1499 parts, which include the all information and all regulation standard which we need to follow when we are going to administer or we are going to selling we are going to sell our product in US countries. So all information is given in this part. So it is divided into 3 chapters, means the that part is also further divided into the 3 chapters. So chapter 1 is mainly responsible for the food and drug administration, means the regulations and rules which is responsible for the food and drug administration in the country. So they all information given in this chapter, means chapter first of 21 CFR. And chapter 2nd is mainly responsible for the drug enforcement administration, and chapter 3 is Office of National Drug Control Policy. So these are different chapters in which 21 CFR is divided. So this is the main 3 chapter which is mainly include the information regarding the food and drug regulation of in US countries. So this is about the this is about the CFR 20 CFR and CFR title 21 means food and drug administration. So this is basic information about the CFR. I hope guys you understand this. So thank you guys.